Welcome back. Wildgrain, I think I love you. I am so excited to share with you today my Wildgrain subscription. Wildgrain is absolutely amazing. They ship to you fresh artisanal breads that you can cook, pull them out of your freezer and pop them in the oven. Or for me, I use the Tavala oven to bake them, and they're just absolutely amazing. So let's get into it. So on the inside, it has a label that tells you everything that you've got. I got a few extras because we love it so much. We got some croissants. I got extra croissants. Some chocolate croissants, English muffins, Parmesan herb biscuits. Ooh, oh my goodness. Giant chocolate chip cookies, spelt sourdough loaf, another sourdough, cranberry pecan bread, sourdough bread, and a margarita pizza. Now, some of these were add-ons. I love the fact that it's fresh, it's delicious, and I'll show you some of what it looks like when I bake it. And I can use my regular oven, or to save energy, I use my Tavala oven, which just heats up a smaller space and is more efficient than using the gas oven. You can do it either way. Tavala partnered with Wildgrain to make sure that a supplement to their meals, you can get these wonderful breads. But even alone, they're awesome. If you want a link to the Wildgrain, there's a link in my description. It can give you a discount, as well as there'll be a link to the Tavala oven in the description. I highly recommend you try this out because it's amazing. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.